Hi, my name is Chris Goen Anderson. I am certified in natural therapies, which means that it's my job to help you avoid drugs and surgeries. So, for joint pain and arthritis, there's really a lot you can do at home. The first thing I always recommend is the ionizing foot bath. It's available on eBay for $100, and it's recommended that you do it twice a week, so it's really well worth it to own it. And then you can just sit with your feet in this water bath for half an hour while watching TV. It's really fascinating to watch because the water will turn orange if it's cleaning out the joints, which causes arthritis, or the water will turn red if it's cleaning out the blood, or yellow if it's cleaning out the urinary tract, or brown if it's cleaning out the liver. The one time that I had it turn black is when I had chipped a tooth, which exposed the filling, the very old filling. So I have another color that it can turn, which I have not seen, is purple. Purple is the result of pulling residue from heavy drugs. So I always start with a ionizing foot bath. I had a client who had lost use of her hands due to arthritis, and instead of her feet, she soaked her hands. The feet have the largest pores in the body, and I believe that's the reason why feet are recommended. But she was pretty desperate. She used her hands, and within 30 days, she had regained use and dexterity in her hands. And in another 30 days, she had no more pain. So I always start with the ionizing foot bath. Next, I recommend the Zyflamend. So Zyflamend is a bunch of Chinese herbs. It is a detoxifier. It's the toxins in the body that cause arthritis and joint pain. Zyflamend, most people can take without any problem, but there are a few people who it's just a little too strong. The dosage is recommended 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule in the evening, but I would start out with just 1 capsule and make sure that your body tolerates it okay. So Zyflamend cleans out the body, very important. D3 also cleans out the body. And then you have to rebuild your body. So to rebuild, I would recommend starting with collagen. So collagen, typically the dosage is 6 tablets a day. I would do 3 of those in the morning and 3 in the evening. And another thing you need to rebuild is Boswellia. And the dosage there is usually 2 capsules. And again, I would do 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. The next thing I would address is the energy in your joints. For that, I would recommend Donna Eden. Her exercise called Connecting Heaven and Earth is wonderful for getting the energy in joints moving. She really has many hours of absolutely free information on YouTube, so I encourage you to check her out. But Connecting Heaven and Earth, I will explain it first. You simply rub your hands together and shake it off. Rub your hands together and shake it off. And then you stretch one hand up and your palm is open to the sky. You stretch that all the way up as if you're holding up the earth. And the other hand, the palm is also flat. And it's like you're holding up the heavens and pushing down the earth. And you feel the stretch down your side there. And then you rub your hands together, shake it off, and go the other way. Stretch the other way. So this is all that's required to get the energy in your upper body moving. But many of us have arthritis in our spine and in our lower body. So then you need to finish it off. And the way to finish it is you stand up straight and tall. Now you can do the whole thing standing up, and that's really what's recommended. It was just easier for me to explain as I was always seated. And then you bend over. So you begin with the neck. There are 7 vertebrae in the neck, and you want to feel a stretch between each one. So you begin with the neck, upper back, middle back, lower back, until your feet touch the floor. And then to stand up, you stand up in reverse. Lower back, middle back, upper back, and neck. So there you have it. Wishing you a more pain-free life.